Today we're going to be going over subtraction with regrouping. So in class we learned more on top, you can stop. More on the floor, go next door. Numbers the same, zeros the game. So when we look in our ones column, we've got, first of all, we've got the ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. So when we look at our ones column, we have more on the floor. So we need to go next door and we find a 2. So we are going to borrow from the 2 and it is going to go down to a 1. And then we can add 10 to the 3. It's going to become 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Then we come over to our tens column. We have a 1 on the top and a 7 on the bottom. So we have more on the floor. Got to go next door and we find a 4. We're going to borrow from the 4. It's going to become a 3. So this 1, we're going to add 10. It's now going to become an 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. The next column, the hundreds column, we have a 3 on top and a 2 on the floor. So we don't need to borrow. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 149. I'm going to show you one other way to do the same problem. So we have 423 is our number we're starting with, and we're going to subtract 274. So we're going to fill in 423 on this chart. So we have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. So we know we start with our ones column. We want to take away 4, but we only have 3. So we can't do that. We need to come next door and we will take 1 10. So it's no longer there, and we can now add 10 ones. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we want to take 4 away. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll leave the ones for right now. Then we want to take away 7 tens, but we only have 1. So we're going to need to borrow from the hundreds, and we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. So we're going to draw in 10 tens since we just borrowed one of the hundreds. And now we have enough. We can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we come over to our hundreds. We want to take away 2 hundreds. So we have enough. We're just going to cross them out. Now looking at what we have left, we have 1 in the hundreds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 in the ones. So our number here is 149. And this is the same answer that we got up here. So we did good. I hope you enjoyed subtraction with regrouping.